In this video I'm going to try something a bit different. I've had a few comments asking for commentary, so I want to give it a go. Try and be nice. My first time doing this. I hope you enjoy the video. Let's get into it. This is some Walnut offcuts from the record player cabinet I've just finished. I hope you watched the video. Not many of you have. Go and check it out if you haven't. I need to make some speaker stands to go with it. Let's see what we can come up with. I need to make 6 legs, so I'm going to make an MDF template. Should make life a little bit easier. That should do nicely. Who needs a CNC? I wouldn't mind one, but they're very expensive. Right, let's get these marked up and rough cut out on the bandsaw. I use the old masking tape and CA glue trick to hold the template on while routing. Hope you're watching closely. This is where I make a big mistake. I'm going to make this disappear. Ready? 3, 2, 1, and it's gone. Can you see what I did wrong? You should never route uphill like that. Luckily the door was open, or I could have had a smashed window. Lucky it didn't go into the neighbour's garden. Look at the mess it's made of this. I'll have to make another piece. This is now just trash. Right, after changing my underwear, I can give it another go. I've moved the template to the bottom. Now I'm mounting downhill, much safer. can't resist a little bit of hand tool work. Nothing more satisfying. I think my next video might be a hand tool only project. We'll see. I think a round over looks super sexy on these. Hopefully give it that high-end look. Let's see if we can do some more routing without any issues. These are also a prototype to see if this is something I could sell in the future. So I want these legs detachable, so they're only going to be attached with screws. If I ever do make these for sale, I'll use threaded inserts to attach these legs. Here I'm drilling a countersink, which will take the screw head. And then with a smaller bit, I'll drill all the way through. I'm also going to insert a dowel here to act as a locating pin. It has to be 90 degrees to the top of the leg. So I'm just trying to line it up properly here. Now I need to work out where to attach the legs. If you're enjoying the video, please give it a like and maybe even subscribe. It's free. I really would appreciate it. These are the holes the dowels were located. If you're not sure what I'm talking about, it'll all become clear in a minute. And now I'm marking out for the screw holes. Like I say, I'll put this in production, these would be threaded inserts. And now for my least favourite job, apart from routing. sanding, lots and lots of sanding. I'm going to be using the same finish I used on the cabinet. This is Natura 1 coat. It's a bit like Rubio, 2-part finish. Really does bring out the walnut lovely. If you want to support the channel, there's links below to buy me a coffee or the super thanks. It really does help keep this channel going. A massive thank you to anybody who has already. I really do appreciate it. The last thing to do is assemble these bad boys. These are pretty simple to make. You don't need any fancy tools. You don't need the router. These can all be cut by hand. They just can be used with sandpaper. You don't need to do the round over. You could even scale these up and make a nice side table. And with that, we're done. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up, maybe even subscribe, and check out some of my other videos. I hope you like the commentary. Give us some comments below. Let me know what you think, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.